Hello friends, and welcome to a review of the Glen Pyramid Kitchen Chimney 6050 Junior. The classic pyramid chimney design in black powder coated finish adds to the aesthetics of your kitchen, making it smoke free. This Glen chimney has a powerful suction rate of 1000 m³ per hour that exhausts smoke and oil vapors out of your kitchen, making it smoke and grime free. The 60 cm wall mounted chimney is suitable for 2, 3 and 4 burners gas stoves of around 60 cm in width. It has 2 stainless steel baffle filters with dynamic airflow. The baffle filters collect extra oil in their fins and are also easy to remove and clean. These stainless steel filters have a long life and hence they can be washed in a dishwasher as well. The Glen chimney is made from rust-resistant steel for a long life. It has two 40-watt powerful lamps that illuminate your cooking area. This chimney has 3-speed push-button controls. The chimney is fitted with a powerful, efficient 100% copper Italian motor with thermal overload protector to switch off the chimney in case of excessive heat. The wires, blower and motor housing of this chimney are made from flame-retardant plastic that provides utmost safety. This Glen chimney comes with a lifetime warranty. For further information, please visit the product detail page.